Hey, what's up? It's Jake from Nimbus DevOps, and I got a new thing in the mail today. My buddy Pablo sent me cracking the coding interview, 189 programming questions and solutions. It's the sixth edition, and I'm not specifically trying to get a job in coding, but I love puzzles. I already have a job where I code all the time, but I've always loved to learn new things, and I know that a lot of people ask me questions about how to do various things in the cloud, and a lot of it is programming related. But what I find with programming, even my own Python series, is it kind of goes over the basics, but we want some like hands-on experience in figuring things out. And what better way to do that than find little puzzles to solve? And even better is if these puzzles are related to job interview type questions. So I'm probably going to go through this book. This is a huge undertaking. If you get rid of the glossary and stuff like that, there's a bunch of hints in the back. We're looking at like 650 pages. I mean, this sucker is like thick with two C's. So, yeah. So I figure I'll go ahead and try this book and see how far we get. There's an introduction there, which goes over a lot of like stuff with just basic interview things. And then there's a section on data structures, concepts and algorithms, knowledge-based section, and then some additional problems. And I mean, there's just a ton of stuff. The bulk of this book is just solutions. Really, it's explaining how everything works. So there's like 190 pages of actual problems, and then I think probably, well, I'd say as far as interview stuff goes, that kind of starts. That goes page 1 through like 88. So there's like 120 pages of problems, and then 400 pages of solutions and explanations, and then 80-ish, little over 80 pages of just talking about interviews and the kinds of questions you get and how to answer them and all that other stuff. So um, I'm curious. Meta reached out to me last week about doing a production engineering job. I am very happy where I am at AWS, so I'm not looking at going anywhere. But I was curious because I have another friend who is going through in the Meta interview process, and so we've been kind of comparing notes as to what kind of questions people ask. And yeah, I figured that might be helpful. So if you don't have this book, I'll let you know if I recommend it. I feel like my channel's turning into like a book review channel, but it's really just me buying stuff, or in this case, my buddy Pablo. Again, thank you very much, Pablo. This is like so cool. I love this. But yeah, just kind of going through this stuff and seeing like, well, how do you insert problem, use adjacency lists and graph searches and things like that in the context of a problem, you know. Even simple stuff like converting Roman numerals to integers and vice versa and stuff like that. So it's definitely going to be fun. I'm going to struggle through this and try to solve all of them, just one little bite at a time. So if you're interested in going through this, let me know. There's two other books they have: Cracking the PM Career. Definitely not interested in that. And Cracking the PM Interview. I have zero desire to be a project manager, but I am totally down with learning some coding stuff. So if you have a book that you think you are interested in, I will happily go buy it and read through it and code it all and see what it's like. Or if you have one that you've done that you think is really good that you want to recommend, let me know, and we can take a look at that too. So um, I'm doing this while doing some calculus classes, the free OpenCoursera ones at MIT. So I don't know how much of this I'll get done, how fast I will, but that's actually a good thing, I think, because it'll give me time to digest it and work through things slowly. So I'll let you know how it goes. And thanks to everybody who's been asking questions on the channel. It's awesome. I love interacting with everybody and hopefully solving some problems. And as always, if you have any requests for anything non-book related, you have a problem, you want me to build something or whatever, let me know, and I'm happy to help. Take care.